You got to stand for something or you're going to fall for anything. I stand for justice. I stand for equality. I stand for Shorty and my family. It's a Davis thing. Let's get it right. That's a certificate of recognition, Shorty, Champion for Justice, Vital Magazine. And this is the article in Vital Magazine. So you can go to Vital Magazine and get this. Y'all made me famous for toilets. That's Senator Huff. He was in the 13th Amendment. That's your elected officials. All right. Changed my product. I didn't change my hustle. I'm selling toilets. That's my Community Verizon Award from Mayor Pugh. I'm making movies and books because I'm getting ready to retire. This is the Minority Report. And these are outhouses because I'm outing y'all. Like I said, I'm making books. It's Black History Month. We're going to make it a Black History moment. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? We're going from the back to the front. That's WJZ, 2011. 11 years ago, y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism. Consent to be videotaped. Social media for social change. Everything that WJZ did 2011, y'all need to play for the voters in 2022. That's my consent to be videotaped. That's parole and probation. You talking about Governor Hogan's crime bill 2022. See that? That's Kamenetz. Kamenetz had that. Kamenetz already got in trouble about the play-to-play politics in Baltimore County. Well, we're going to talk about Kamenetz and Doug Smith, David Smith from Fox 45, the deals that they cut. We're going to talk about the money in Baltimore. That's candidate filing form. Because, see, ex-felons can vote. They can run for office. You feel me? They can vote and run for office. That's me. 2000 what? All right, 13. These are movie releases, and that's Governor Hogan. We're talking about your crime bill. That's Governor Hogan. And that's the Maryland Office of Minority Affairs, Shorty Davis, while I was locked up in Baltimore County Detention Center. All right, you got that? I hope y'all can read. So that's Governor Hogan. And that's the IRS. I'm out $260,000 a year. I was making $260,000 a year. I was kidnapped by the state. The state owed me money. The state got to give me money. Y'all owe me property. $260,000 a year for 15 years. I was making $1,500 a day, averaging. I was doing $10,000 a day parties. Y'all got to audit me from 2008 to 2022. That's Judge Mary Barbera. Because like I said, we went to the Supreme Court with this. Making a movie ain't against the law. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. She's a witness. She's going to testify on my behalf about everything she knows about me. That's President Barack Obama. He asked for an investigation May 5th, 2008. It's about your prison industry and the money you make off black bodies. The war on drugs, N62528. That's President Biden and the Department of Justice. When President Biden came to Baltimore, he put me out the event at the center stage. But you can't take this off the world stage because the world is watching Baltimore. We're talking about the 1986 crime bill. You signed off on that. You did, Kwesi Mfume, and other individuals. Like I said, it's like the 13th Amendment. He was in the movie The 13th Amendment. All right? That's Al Redmer. I was insured from Insurance Incorporated. I was insured for $1 million, and I want you to pay off that policy. That's Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Like I said, I was making a movie. Mayor Blake, Mayor Dixon, the city council. Yeah, remember when Sheila Dixon called y'all a dirty dozen? December the 10th at Councilman Welch's retirement party? I was there. So were you. So we're going to talk about the dirty dozen. That's Department of Justice, Ronald Davis. See the date? Like I said, postal violations. I got mail. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Everything that Brandon Scott, since Mayor Scott was Councilman Scott, is going to be turned over to the grand jury. Marcella Holloman versus Marilyn Mosby. I get a right to access the grand jury. I get to bite the apple 3 times. That's Eric Holder, Department of Justice. While I was locked up in 2008, I gave him this information. Eric Holder, Loretta Lynn, Eric Barron. Yeah. Doug Gansler, Brian Frost, Rod Rosenstein, Alan Locks, Robert Herr, Governor Hogan's right-hand man. Yeah, we're going to play this for the world to see. That's Michael Nearham, Waukegan. I went home on vacation, came back on probation, and y'all got to pay me for that. I was kidnapped. Y'all held me for 186 days illegally. The world is watching, and I'm going to give them something to see. You feel me? I'm going to give them something to see. I got the Weaver Award for 2020. And Corey McRae, you running rehab centers, so you ain't talking about ending the war on drugs because you make money off them rehab centers. We got golden toilets. We got flushing toilets. We got talking toilets.
I stink like shit. I don't give a crap.
Yeah, we got talking toilets.
Oh, hey there. I recognize you. You got a nice ass.
Yeah, see, clack, clack. That's the United States Supreme Court. And that's President Trump. And that's President Trump. So everything that President Trump got, everything that President Biden got, y'all got to turn over for the voters in 2022. I'm unapologetically black. Like I said, I'm potty training politicians in 2022. Golden toilets, and we're going to the Supreme Court. Y'all locked me up in 2011. That's all I got. Y'all owe me a truck, a computer, and a whole lot more. So I want what belongs to me. This art and activism. This is to prove I was making a movie about racism in the judicial system. Commode emotion. That's Chief Hyatt in the State Prosecutor's Office. That's Chief Hyatt in the State Prosecutor's Office. And in December of 2010, I put this toilet in front of the school board. It was about the school to prison pipeline, the money you make off black bodies in school. Now you got Project Baltimore talking about it. Well, I was talking about it in 2010. I did asbestos and lead removal. Yeah, we're going to talk about the conditions of the schools from 2006 to 2021. The environment we put your kids in. You feel me? That's me and Tim Williams from WJZ, Shorty's Barbecue. See who that is? States Attorney Marilyn Mosby, 2016. Marilyn Mosby know about it. You know about it. Anthony McCarthy. And that's President Trump. That's Dear Governor Hogan, 2017. All right. You got that? Governor Hogan got that. And these other people that got it. You got it? That's Mayor Moxley from Waukegan, because like I said, you kidnapped me. And that's what you kidnapped me from, my barbecue. I'm a cook, I'm a chef, I'm a caterer. You feel me? So in 2022, on February the 17th, it's art and activism. I'm showing you the money you make off black bodies. The art of getting money. I'm showing you Scott Shellenberger, Greg Bernstein, and this money off this prison industry. All right? I took my son to New York and I made him carry that toilet all the way to New York. You feel me? So we got toilets with galore. I got 52 toilets. So Senator McRae, Grand Jury 2022 of the Supreme Court, a writ of certiorari. You feel me? I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. I won the Weaver Award. Weaver Award, M&T Bank, 2021. I'm citywide. And I was making a movie about Maryland's prison industry, Martin O'Malley's brown money machine, social media for social change, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I'm not hard to find. That's me when I was on House of Cards. That's Ed Mulatolo and the Ravens. That's Ozzie Newsome. That's Sarah Palin. Ain't no law against making a movie. It is a law against kidnapping. You feel me? And that's the movie. That's Ozzie Newsome at my store. We talking about black bodies. No, black money matters. Black lives matter. All right? Governor Hogan made $500 million off of black lives. I'm getting ready to make some money off of this. You feel me? Remember that Stop Snitching video from 2006? Well, I'm going to make y'all snitch on each other. I got the tapes. Got your House of Cards, Baltimore, rewired. I got everything I need. You can do it. To be the best, you got to beat the best. And you ain't beat me yet. So on February the 17th, at Lawyers Mall, show up, because I'm going to show out. Art and activism, the art of protest. Governor Hogan, when you hear mic check, you know it's me. From 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, we shouting Babylon down.